You can open the import utility from the Tools menu in either Store Manager or Central Manager. Select the Import Spreadsheet. You need to indicate whether you are importing items or aliases from the Data Type field. I am adding items with this import, so I select Item. This is the screen where you map column headings in the spreadsheet to columns in the item table in the database. The first row shows the column headings from the spreadsheet. The second row is where you select the corresponding column from the item table in the database. Make sure you scroll to the right and map all of the columns. To save the column mappings to a JSON or YAML file for future use, click Save Mapping. Review the mappings on this screen to confirm that they are correct. Click Back if you need to change any mappings. Click Import to start the import. And that's it. As you can see, using the import utility is a quick and easy way to add or update items in bulk from a spreadsheet.